Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I'm here for my what is this? Midweek haul. Ibotta had hit us with this surprise bonus. It was only good for like 24 hours. I posted it on my community tab. This was like what, 2 days ago or so. I'm gonna include that in this as well, but for that I only needed 7 offers for $3, and per sale and poise reset for me, so I went ahead and did that deal again, and then I did it again. So I did both those deals twice for this haul. But if you're new here, really quick, if you're new here, y'all see all that great coming in? Well, let me stop lying. It's spit coming in. It's got a home. So listen, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shady. Please subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button. Support your girl. Help out the algorithm. Let YouTube know your girl is important. You know what I mean? Because it's good to know that you important, right? So if you think that your girl is important, then you should hit the like button. And if you ain't subscribed, you should subscribe. All right. My midweek, I need 10 offers for 5. Ibotta has been nice to me. I'm like, what, Ibotta? I see you, boo. They like, we got you. So I need 10 offers for 5. That larger bonus, it just might be possible. It just might happen. I think I still need like 20 offers. I'm more than halfway through it. So it might just happen, which I will be hella surprised because it's been a minute since I've hit one of the larger bonuses, which I used to always hit. Other than that, you guys, I'm going to try to keep this pretty brief. I am going to be doing some deals at CVS as well as Walgreens. And I have one deal that I posted on the community, on my community tab for Food for Less, our Kroger affiliate. I got that deal from Saving with Save on Instagram, and I had to do that deal. That's a freaking awesome deal. Other than that, we're going to head over to Walmart first. We're going to see what kind of deals that we can grab. If you want to teach your girl, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
You guys, they have different flavors. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. Why am I so excited though? I feel like the blue can is the same as that black can, this one, but sugar-free, or, well, it says 0 carbs. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this one right here. So I'm gonna do this deal. I know that I haven't been really mentioning the Rockstar. I did it in my last video, but I only did one set. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple sets today. Again, they're priced at same deal, price at $188 each. You're gonna buy 2. And then I think you pay, I want to say $3.76, get back 5 through aisles. It's an offer you can do every other week. And it'll make it like $1 and like 20 something moneymaker. And so I'm just so stoked that they have different flavors. And so, yeah. All right. So I guess they changed their little chip display. Remember it used to be like little drawers? I almost didn't see it. But listen, so I did get an offer on Fetch Reward, and it's on the Ruffles. It's buy one, get back 1,000 points, which is, it's like $1, sort of dollar, kind of dollar, not quite $1. Anyways, it makes it a 50-cent moneymaker with a limit of 3. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 3 of these, and they will all be free plus like $1.50 moneymaker. I decided to do the budding deal again. The little packs are priced at 87 cents. You want to grab a total of 6 of them, and you'll pay $5.22. You'll get back $1 on Ibotta, $1 on checkout 51, $1 on Tada, making it $2.22 for all. 6 are only 37 cents per pack. And of course, I had to do this deal again on the Caesar dog food. It's priced at $1.14. You want to grab a total of 6 of them. The total is going to come to $6.84, getting back 3 on Ibotta, $1 on Swagbucks, a total of 200. Kicks are 80 cents for each of them on Shopkick, and then $3 on Fetch Reward, making this $1.76 moneymaker. Okay, so this next deal is on the per sale. I'm gonna toss in a clip I recorded when I was at the other location yesterday. That's the only one in my area that has the per sale pods. I see more pillies too. I'm gonna grab one of them. Well, I'm gonna grab 5. But so you grab one of them. They're priced at $4.77. Use a pilly, you'll pay $2.77, getting back 2 when I bought it. It has been working for me. Done it like 3 times. And so it'll make it only 77 cents. So of course I did the poise again. I did this twice for this haul. So we're gonna grab I grabbed the 30 count. It's priced at $5.97. Now I did use $3 pillies for these, so it brought the total down to $2.97. And then I got back $2 on Ibotta, 500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2. It made that $1.03 moneymaker. And then I'm also grabbing the one down here, the 50 count, priced at $6.27. $3 peely brings it down to $3.27, getting back $1 on Ibotta. 750 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3, makes it a 73-cent moneymaker. Now, when I did the second set yesterday, I only had one more $3 peely left. Also, keep your eyes peeled for $2 peelies. I mean, we have digitals that are better, so I'd probably use the digitals over these anyways. But the second set, I only had one $3 peely, so I used one $3 peely on the 30 count. And then this one here, I submitted for $1 on Ibotta, $3 on ShopMeum, 510 points on my points, which is 320, and then 750 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3. So I made this one a $3.93. Okay, so this is going to be the last deal that I'm going to do here at Walmart. It's on the Control. It's menstrual cramp cream. This is a free offer on, what is it on? It's on Social Nature. It's priced at $15.98. You're going to get that back, making it absolutely free. Alright guys, so we're at Walgreens and I'm going to share with you guys a transaction that I did yesterday on my secondary account. I had a really awesome booster. It was spend 30, get back 8. So I'm going to share with you what I did, and then I'll share with you guys any extra deals that I did as well. So the first thing we're going to be grabbing is the Dove body wash. They're priced at $7 each. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. And it's buy 2, get back 3. So $14. And then we have a $7 digital when you buy 2. So it brings it down to you paying 7, getting back 3. Done by itself, it makes them $2 each. Okay, it looks like this store is completely out of the smaller bottles of Dove. And so, but for this, you're grabbing 2 of the smaller Doves. They're priced at $4 each, and it's buy 2, get back 5. Now, we did have a $5 off of 2 digital. It's gone now. But that would bring the total down to 3, getting back 5, making it as a $2 money maker. The next deal is on the Garnier Fructis. They are 2 for $8. It's buy 2, get back 4. And for this, we have a $3 digital, bringing the total down to paying 5, getting back 4, would make them only 50 cents each. Now, there is a different digital for the whole blends as well that you could do if you want it on a separate transaction. Same exact deal, making those 50 cents as well. So the last thing that I grabbed with the booster deal is on the Crest. They do have some, where is it at? Right here. This one's priced at 3, but the registry word hasn't been printing for me, so I haven't been getting that one. I've been just grabbing the ones at $4. So you can grab 2 of them, priced at $4. The total's going to come to $8. And then we have 2 $2 digitals, so you'll pay 4, get back 3, makes them 50 cents each.
All right, so this is what my spend 30, get back 8 booster transaction looked like. This totaled $38. I had $19 in digitals. I paid $19 out of pocket, got back $15 in registry rewards, plus $8 Walgreens cash, and then I also got back $4 on Ibotta for the Crest. So it made this an $8 moneymaker.
And the other deal that I think I'm gonna do actually today, because I have a booster on, and I only have 2 Walgreens accounts, and so one of them I have a booster that's spend 30, get 8. The other one I have spend 10 2 times, get back 5. So I need one more transaction. So I think what I'm gonna do is grab the toothbrushes right here. They have some that are 3. I'm really hoping the reward prints with it. But for this, you want to grab 2 of them at $3, and then for that we have 2 different digitals. So you'll pay 3 and you'll get back 3, making them both free. I had to do a voiceover because I was slaughtering, and I'm probably gonna slaughter it again. Maison pity. I had to Google it. Look, I'm a papa who I got this deal from over on here on YouTube. She posted on my community tab. So this deal is on this. Okay, they're priced at 2 for $3, And so for this, you're grabbing 3 of them. It did come to $4.50. And then getting back $2 for each one. Ibotta plus $1 bonus for buying 3 makes them a $2.50 moneymaker, I want to say. And so definitely is an awesome deal. I only needed like one more offer to hit my bonus on Ibotta, so this more than took care of that. And so definitely is an awesome deal. All right, so there's only literally 3 deals that I've been doing at CVS this week. And the first is on the Colgate. They are priced at $3.99 on sale. And there is a $7 off of 2 digital. So you end up paying 98 cents for 2 of them, or only 49 cents. Also grabbing the Crest as well. They're on sale for $4.99, and they are buy 2 get back 5, limit of 2. Now for this, I have a 4 off of 20 CRT. I have 2 3 off of 2 digitals, and a 2 off of 1 digital. All right, so it's gonna bring the total down to you paying $7.96 out of pocket. You'll get back 10, making it a $2.04 moneymaker. And so yeah, definitely is not a bad deal. Now you can mix and match between the toothpaste and the toothbrushes as well. For the toothbrushes, I believe we have a $2 digital and we have a $1 digital. But my store is completely out of the toothbrushes. All right, so this last deal is on the Kotex. I couldn't record because it was stuck in the aisle. And you know how tiny CVS aisles are? And so it's on Kotex. They're buy 1, get 1 50% off. They're also buy 2, get 2. And so you'll grab one at $1.49. The other one is 75 cents. You'll pay $2.24, getting back $2 in extra care bucks, bringing them down to only 12 cents each. All right, guys. So I'm going to try to make this super quick. This looks so amazing. Like, I ain't seen a haul like this in forever. Only reason why I look like this is because of CVS and Walgreens, to be honest. Because Walmart literally was only like, what? The per sale. And the dog food and the chips and the ham. That was basically it. And that menstrual cramp cream stuff. Oh, and the Rockstar. Ooh, the Rockstar was good. I had it this morning. So freaking good. I was so happy to see a different flavor other than the ones I've been getting. I still haven't found that one I got that one time. It was like mango something. Oh my gosh, that was so good. Didn't mention this because I just didn't feel like going to Food for Less just to record this in store. But these are $3.59 each. And there's a free offer, well, 1,000 points for every $1 spent. You get back on Fresh Reward with a limit of 3. So I grabbed 3 of them. Now I did have to have my receipt corrected by scanning the product, and I did get the points that way. And then there's also offers on Shopkick for 465. That's purchase or buy and scan kicks, which is like $1.86. So I made these $1.86 in moneymaker for each one, which is really cool on that. Other than that, what else? I'm still waiting for that menstrual cramp stuff to go through. Usually with Social Nature, the receipt goes through pretty fast, but that one is still processing, so I don't know. Usually it doesn't take that long. It usually goes through really pretty quick. Other than that, I have a ton of receipts. I'm gonna pop up screenshots of the receipts that are important, like the ones that I have coupons with, the CVS ones, the Walgreens ones. Those are like important. I don't feel like the other ones are not really important. I mean, the price is the price, and it's the same price in the store and the app and all that. By the way, real quick, have you guys been having issues with your Walmart app? Like my Walmart app hasn't been scanning at all. It doesn't work for anything. And I don't know what's up with it. And I know one of you guys recently hit me up as far as is there a way to download an older version? I don't know. But my app hasn't been working for probably close to 2 weeks now. And so with that being said, everything worked out good here. I did 3 situations at CVS. I did Crest, Colgate on all 3 situations. And I only did the Kotex on 1 of them. Now, I believe there's a 3 off of 2 digital on Kotex. I know I had it, but maybe if you didn't clip it, it's not available to you, but I don't have it. Everything that you see here retails $271.76. We had a total of $117 in coupons. It brought the out of pocket to $154.76. My sales tax for this was $18.98. And then we walk away with $57.50 from Ibotta, 32 in extra care bucks, 26 in registry rewards. Only one registry reward that I rolled, and that was a $5 one. I still have all the other ones though. Walgreens cash was $18.55, and I did have to contact support because I still had that $5 back when you do two $10 purchases or transactions. I still had it on my app, and I didn't get it on the second transaction. So I called customer service and they gave it to me. But $18.55 there. And then Shopkick was $17.90. Referral was $16.79. Social Nature, $15.98. Aisles is $10. Frisbee, I did redeem for a $5.28 gift card on Frisbee. If you guys are not using that app, you ain't about to get rich, so don't expect that. I saw a freaking ad on Instagram today, and I was just like, really? Really? You scanned your receipt and got $100? From where? From who? But I scanned all my receipts, and I finally was able to redeem a gift card. I probably get one per month. So that was $5.28. Brand Club is $4.15. Now, really quick with Brand Club, I'm just doing surveys, all right? It's an instant survey, instant rewards. You get it right away. And I'm just doing 3 a day. And I'm picking surveys that I wouldn't normally buy for 50 cents or whatever the highest ones are. So I do have $4.50 in surveys. My points is $3.20. Shop Me is $3. Ta-da! Checkout 51 and Swagbucks is $1. So it brings our total back to $213.35. It makes everything you see here, you guys, free, plus a $58.59 money maker, you guys. What? That is so freaking awesome. And again, tax was $18.98, so after tax, we still make $39.61, which is so freaking awesome, you guys. Like, what? That is so cool. And so, yeah, I'm gonna try to stick with doing like stupid easy deals at the drugstores. And I've been really stocking up on toothpaste, which is so freaking awesome. Other than that, you guys, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you got to, Jojo, what was our emoji again? A moon. If you get to the end of the video, I really appreciate you so much. We want to see a moon emoji in the comments. And we will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.